We'll guide you through how to download and install Palworld on PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get Palworld, we're going to need to use a launcher and a marketplace called Steam. So open up a web browser, go and search for Steam like so, go to the website which is store.steampowered.com, and then what you need to do is go to the top and click on Install Steam, and click on Install Steam again, and it will then go and download the setup. Go and click on it, and you'll get a Windows security pop-up, and you need to go and install it. Follow the instructions, it's straightforward. After you've installed Steam, if you already have an account, go and sign in. If you don't, go and click on Create a Free Account in the bottom right and follow the steps. After you've signed in or signed up to Steam, then go to the top left and click on Store, and then go over to the right and go and click on Search. And you want to type in Palworld, just like so. And as you can see, here it is here. You can then go and click on it, and all you need to do is go and scroll down like this, and we then have the buy option. So it's important to note that Palworld is a paid game and you will need to go and purchase it. So I'm going to click on Add to Cart, and then we can go and click on Purchase for myself, and you can then choose how you wish to go and pay. After you've chosen your payment method, you'll then be taken to the review purchase page. You'll need to agree to the terms, which I do, and we can then go and click on purchase, like so. We've now gone and purchased it, and then what we can do is go to the top and click on library. We can come over to the left and we can then select Palworld, and we can go and click on install. You'll get this pop-up. You can choose where you want it to be installed. I'll select this drive here, and I'll press install again, and you'll need to accept the EULA, which I do. I'll press accept, and it's now downloading. So all you need to do is wait for it to finish. After it's finished downloading, you can then go and click on play. I actually just already clicked it just to make sure it's working. But yeah, you can now go and start playing Palworld. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.